Good morning, everyone. Today we will talk about Lithuanian verb daryti, which means primarily to make or to do. Daryti. So we'll talk about a few cases, about a few scenarios, contexts where we can use this word and how and what it means in English. So the first one and the primary meaning of daryti is to do, and an example would be jie daro gerus darbus. They do good deeds or works. They do good works. Or aš darau tai jau daug metų. I have been doing it for many years. Aš darau tai jau daug metų. Some cases of present perfect tense we just say in the present simple in Lithuanian. For example, aš tai darau daugybę metų. Aš tai darau, yes, as if I am doing it now. But in English we would say I have been doing that for many years. So I have done that for many years. Or I have been doing that for many years. So it's either the perfect continuous case or the present perfect case. In Lithuania, said as present simple case. Tai aš darau tai jau daug metų. The second use of this word is, for example, when we take a break. In English we say to take a break. In Lithuanian we say padaryti, to make a break. Literally, padaryti pertrauką. Aš darysiu pertrauką. Kitą mėnesį aš darysiu pertrauką nuo sporto. Next month I'll take a break from sports. Or aš padariau ilgą pertrauką nuo cukraus. I took a long break from sugar. Number 3. Šiandien išmoksime pasidaryti cepelinų. So now this is to make, to produce food, to cook. Pasidaryti, daryti, or gaminti. We could say gaminti as well, but we can as well say daryti, pasidaryti, pasigaminti. Šiandien išmoksime pasidaryti naminių cepelinų. Today we will learn how to make or how to do homemade cepelinai. The next one. Įdarysiu pyragaičius grybais. Įdaryti with the prefix I. It means to fill, to fill something with a filling. So, aš įdarysiu pyragaičius grybais. I will fill the cakes with mushroom, or the pastry. I could say the pastry with mushroom. Pyragaičius. Įdaras is a filling. Įdaras. Aš įdarysiu pyragaičius grybų įdaru. Su kuo? Su grybų įdaru. Number 5. Uždaryti is to shut or to close. Uždaryti. Ramūnai, uždaryk duris. Labai šalta. Imperative. Uždaryk. Uždaryk duris, nes labai šalta. Please close the door. Well, I said it without the please. Prašau, uždaryk duris, nes man labai šalta. Please close the door because it's really cold for me. Arba neuždaryk man durų. Don't shut the door to me. It might mean not in a literal way, but like don't ban me or don't make me go away from you. Don't separate yourself from me. Neuždaryk man durų. Don't take away the opportunity, my opportunity to be with you or to have some doings with you, some dealings. Prašau, neuždaryk man durų. Leisk man būti. Number 6. Atidaryti. Atidaryk langą, nes labai tvanku. Tvanku. Humid. Atidaryk langą. Open the window. It's very humid. Nes labai tvanku. Because it is very humid. Number 7. Sudaryti is to form or to make a certain structure. Sudaryti. Aš sudarysiu pamokų tvarkaraštį iki rytojaus. I will form the lesson schedule until tomorrow. And sudaryti might as well means to consist of. For example, žmogaus kūną sudaro daug skirtingų dalių. The body of a human being consists of many different parts. Or mūsų kraštovaizdį sudaro miškai, ežerai, upės, pievos. Our scenery consists of. And I name it. So these were the few examples of how can we use daryti with different prefixes. Of course, there are more scenarios and examples of how we can use it. A lot more cases, but 7 for today. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, share this information with whoever wants to learn Lithuanian language, and if possible, support the channel financially. Thank you. Bye-bye.